Oh.
She is doing the most.
She is doing the most.
OMG, what does she have on? She Ratchet. Her lace front is all wrong. Give me the bone. I'm about to take this girl on picture. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
And she Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her. Hey, I can't stand her. Oh, she too fat. Girl, let me tell you what I got my Mr. Milton. A baby boy, and it came with a sister. Girl, yes, I'm pregnant, and I still at the club in the middle of the floor. No shoes with her. I had to get cute today. I bought my jeans for a boot. I got a pussy looking good, cause my baby that the just made there. He'll throw his shoes today. Gonna beat it up. Mood trap. It's the 15th. I got my food stamp. Got a brand new piercing. Brand new tech. $95 for this wig. Plus tax. Pow! This ain't gonna watch like my thumb.
That right.
Thinking that you better than that.
You stupid.
My number.
What?
My head look a mess.
Hey, girl. Tonight, yeah. I like your shoes. Yeah, you doing the most. You doing the most. Yeah, girl, bye-bye, man.
OMG, what does she have on?
Nothing.
Her lace front is all wrong.
Cause she Ratchet.
Give me the phone. I'm about to take this girl a picture.
She Ratchet.
Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown.
She Ratchet.
Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on.
Cause she Ratchet.
Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh.
Cause she Ratchet.
My name is Emanuela, but my girlfriends call me Kari.
That right. That right.
You can have this boo-boo sorry, cause 2 Chainz is my future baby daddy.
Sorry.
My best
Bye.
friend, dark skin. Well, we like some red bones. Hit me up on Facebook and follow me on Twitter. I'm with Team Flip Phone. Team Chris Brown.
What
if you don't
up?
shut it up, then it's Team Shut It Down.
What is you gonna
Team
do?
Bad Chick. Team with your man. If he got a lot of money, then it's Team he's paying. What you saying? I mean, he might as well spend it on me. I'm on my job. Oh my God, what's wrong with her? OMG, what does she have on? Her lace front is all wrong. She did. Got it. I'm about to put this girl on Twitter. Cause I ain't got time for this. I'm too grown, boo-boo. Boy, bye. Not with them shoes on. Oh, I just wanna punch her in her face. I can't stand her. Oh, you're so nasty. Oh my God.